Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design, Engineering Mechanics, Dynamics Problems and Solutions. How do you convert revolutions per minute (RPM) to radians per second? To convert revolutions per minute to radians per second, you can follow these steps. The formula to convert RPM to radians per second is radians per second equals RPM times 2 pi divided by 60. Example calculation. A motor is rotating at 1,700 revolutions per minute. Convert the speed in radians per second. The conversion from RPM to radians per second can be done using the following steps. Convert revolutions to radians. 1700 times 2 pi is equal to 1,700 times 2 radians per minute. Convert minutes to seconds. 1700 times 2 pi times 1 minute divided by 60 equals 1700 times 2 pi divided by 60. Simplify. 1700 times 2 pi divided by 60 equals 177.9 radians per second. Therefore, an electric motor rotating at 1,700 RPM is equivalent to approximately 177.9 radians per second. Thanks for watching. Please like, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video.